You ready? When you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay, start. Hello guys, Uncle Fix here. Today we are doing a windshield on a Freightliner FLD120 1999. It's a beautiful truck. So we're doing driver side and passenger side. So I already did the driver side, you can see. So now we are doing passenger side. It's a rubber job. It's a simple if you know what you're doing. So we have a customer here. He's also a cameraman here. So okay, let's start it. So first you remove the middle locking strip, all right, and then you break the seal. So the windshield will come out easily. All right, you just go like this. Also, you need a bungee cord to move your wiper arm a little bit further, so give you some room to work with. All right. Now I'm gonna be going outside, and we're gonna remove the windshield. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go. So here is the tool we used to do. We used to do windshield on, for example, Volvo or Mac or Freightliner. So you just basically keep pushing and use the hook and push the rubber out. Just you don't have to press too much. It might crack a little bit here and there, but basically you're just going around and just push it. Just one reminder: when you guys working on a customer's truck, just be careful, because it's like their home and they have their stuff in the cab. So just pay extra attention. No, because don't make a mess or don't damage their stuff. For example, I have this attached over here, so I'm just working carefully around. All right, and just working my way down, pushing rubber out. On the bottom a little bit difficult because the dash went away, so you just have to lift it up, rubber a little bit, and then push it out. Now you also can use your hand and go like this. See, I'm just pushing the rubber a little bit up, and then I'm pushing rubber out. See, it's coming out. So just push a little bit up. And now I'm pushing rubber out. See, window is coming out. Well, this truck is going to be very beautiful, because customer is working on the dash and it's already getting nice look. I was surprised when I entered the cab and it's all blue. And the customer also said he's gonna put bigger stick for the Eaton transmission. Also, this truck has a Legend engine, Detroit 60 series, just rebuilt 1 week ago. So, all right. So now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna remove the glass and I'm gonna clean it rubber, preparing for the new windshield go in. All right, let's go. All right, now I'm outside. Basically, you just pulling the rubber out of the windshield and go with the motion like this. Remove the glass. Now I'm gonna keep the glass here. I'm gonna clean up the rubber inside. When you're working on a truck like this, try not to spray too much inside, because as of right now, customer is working with electric, so you don't wanna mess up electrical system. So just gently and just clean it up. Always before you start working on a truck, just ask customer for any water leaks, because if he does have some water leaks, it's easier for you to check it, repair it if needed. It's harder than when you install windshield and then you realize, oh, oops, you know. So now we already clean up. So now I'm gonna go grab a new glass and we're gonna install the new one. All right guys, so this is, as I mentioned in the, before, this is the rubber style. So basically you put the you put the rope over here, so because you're gonna pull the rope out when you install your new glass. It's the same like Mac windshield, same idea. Just put it like this. Always use gloves, safety glasses, you know, because you're working with glass, so for your own safety. All right, so now I'm gonna grab a windshield. It's the last step. We're gonna install the windshield, and yeah, actually 2 last steps. All right, let's go. Okay, now next step, you just spray windshield washer or glass clean, whatever you're using. It will make life easier when you install the glass, because you need some slippery surface to install the glass. Just carefully. All right, so now put a little bit rubber over here if you can, and we're gonna slide the glass in. All right. Always check part number before you remove the glass, because sometimes part number can be different, and you know, you want to have that. Just carefully. Carefully slide on the bottom first. See, it's sliding nice because we put glass cleaner already. So now you just sliding in. Sliding in. We need a tool. Another tool. Alright, middle is in, and a little bit over here. And we're gonna put the rubber on. Do the bottom first, in case if it's gonna drop or something, you have a protection here. And then put the corner over here, just stretch it a little bit. Put the corner. And go away down. Now hold it on the bottom, and you do the top. Put the top one on. You verify, make sure everything is okay. And the last step, we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna pull the rope. Call it done. Let's go. Last step. we're using suction cup, but you can go without suction cups. You just put your suction cups over here, or you can keep pressure by having your arm over here. So I use the suction cup, it's easier. So now I'm gonna pull the rope first on the bottom, and then pull the rope on top. It's about, you can go 10 inch by 10 inch or whatever, depends. Go slower a little bit on the corners and just pull the rope. And one more. So that's about it. So the one more step is to clean glass, and simple as that. All right. Make sure you clean the dash after you're done. You know, customers will appreciate that. Also, please like and share my YouTube channel. It's called Uncle Fix. I'm gonna post a little bit more videos as I do repairs. All right, on the different trucks, different models, different weather condition. Right, it's not the problem for the windshield. All right, please like and subscribe. My channel is Uncle Fix. See you.